Yeah, hello guys, welcome to this particular video. So on this video, as promised earlier on the previous video that I posted, I told you guys that we are going to be talking about the latest updates regarding the billion network airdrop, which include the dates for the token generation event and of course the latest updates as regards the app. All right, so I've got major questions on these areas that I'm going to be twisting on this particular video concerning the billion network airdrop. Okay, so if this is your first time coming across our channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I post new video, YouTube will send it to you. Also go ahead to like the video, share it, and with that being done, let's now continue with the video. So the first thing you need to do right now regarding the billion network airdrop is to go ahead and update your app. Make sure your app is actually on the latest version. So once your app is up to date, then this is how your own page is going to look like, and I'm going to be showing you all you need to do right now. But before we do that, guys, let's go ahead and talk about some other stuffs right here on the X account. Okay, so over here on the X account, there are some certain things that they said right here, and they said that scam to cost 10.5 trillion in 2025. We fixed it. Billion official profile are live. Our newest product to prove you are real and keep privacy. So there's a lot of talk right here, but I want to be focusing on the most important one. So right now, quickly, I'm going to be answering you guys the question, which is of course, when is the time for the TGE? All right, so there's no specific date given concerning this, but actually we have been given the round. I mean, we have been given a kind of the limit, the maximum limit that we are going to be getting the TGE. For example, on this particular video, short video right here, they say that the TGE of billion network airdrop is going to be on the first quarter of 2026. So that is going to be between January, February, or March. That is when we are going to have the token generation event. Now, with that being established, there are some other few things you need to do right here. And over here, they actually talked about the snapshot. That is the first snapshot. They said that the second snapshot is going to come before the TGE. All right, so over here, guys, there's something they said right here, which I think it's important that we read out right here. So for example, they said starting today, all tags on the billion network website have been disabled or no longer earn more power points. In line with our vision to recognize verified human who contribute to the network growth, only new referrals from verified humans and identity verification will earn points, meaning that people who are going to be joining this particular project for the first time are going to be the people who are going to continue earning points. But if you have been on this particular project since I actually introduced them, you don't need to disturb yourself about any other thing because you are good to go. So over here right now, what they actually meant was that if you have been on the billion network airdrop before now, your accounts have been a kind of disabled not to earn more points. For example, when I scroll down right here, you can see we have verifications right here, and when we come over here to completed, you can see these are the tasks that I have actually completed right here, and these are the ones that I can be able to complete. But once you create yourself a new account, you are going to see something that is relatively different from this. And when we talk about this one, which is of course the trial card, what we mean is that if you have gotten yourself a trial card right here, you can see the trial card right here. If you have gotten yourself the trial card, it's actually going to be coming with this is 1000 bill is a billion network token. It is going to be coming with 1000 billion network token plus $10. That is when you get this trial card. If you get it, or I don't even know the actual spelling for this. Is it trial or trial? I don't know, but I will just call it trial. Once you get the trial card, you are going to be getting $10 and 1000 billion network tokens. So you can see you can actually verify it right there. Once you have gotten the card, you come over here to verify eligibility, you click on it, then you put the username you used while verifying the card, then they are going to be verifying and you are going to be entitled to get this particular reward right here, which is of course 1000 bill and $100 upon card activation. So that is done. Let's now go to the main business of the day. Like I said earlier, make sure that your own app is up to date, and once it's up to date, then you go ahead and open it up. Once you open it up, the first thing you need to do right now is to go ahead and click on claim. You can see we have two claim right here. We have this one and we have this one. So the one I need you to click immediately is this first one. You click on claim, and once you click on claim, you need to select your locality or your country, that is Nigeria personally. Then I will click on continue. Then over here, please enable NFC on your device setting to use feature. So we click on setting right now. You have to just enable this so that you can be able to scan some stuff very easily. So I will go back right now, then I'll click on continue, and just like I expected, you can see it's not actually going through, and that is actually because the NFC is actually not accessible by everyone. So but if you have international passports, that is its own type of NFC card. All right, so that is what you can actually use to verify this first one. But in case you cannot verify this first one, then go ahead and click on this second one. Right, so I will click on claim right now. It will load up immediately, and sometimes if you are doing this for the first time, they are going to be requiring you to actually prove yourself by getting to snap yourself and upload some of your documents. But in this case, I've done it already, but it's expired, and now I think I'm going to be doing it again. But let me see what I'm going to be having right here. Okay, right now you can see we have this welcome, uniqueness, and done. These are the process we are going to be taking. And over here they said verification powered by Fractal ID. You are about to submit a video selfie to Fractal ID IDOS face sign service. Only a non-identifiable faces vector is stored within a secure enclave. So we go ahead and click on start, but before that, guys, you need to agree right here. Okay, so right now you click on start. And over here right now you can see identity uniqueness check, remove sunglasses, mask or hat covering your face, be in a well lit place, no strong backlight. And they also said something like have a stable internet connection, follow the on-screen instructions. So we click right now on continue on mobile. So okay, you can see identity uniqueness check right here. They say scan the QR code with your mobile device to continue the uniqueness check. Don't close this window. So you need to scan this QR code, and in this case I think you are going to need to phone. Okay, or you can just go ahead to screenshot. Okay, once you screenshot it, then you have to crop it, just crop it out like this. Okay, now once you crop it out like this, then you are good to go. So right now you need to go ahead and scan this using your browser. Okay, and just as they say do not close this window. So I will go straight to my browser like this. Okay, so here is it. Let me see if I can be able to scan it through this particular browser. So in this case, I don't think I can be able to do it right here. So I will go to my Google. So you come to Google, you click over here on this camera button right here. You click on it. Okay, from here right now you can see the image right here. You select the image, it opens your gallery, then you select the image you cropped, and they are going to be scanning it immediately right now, and they are going to be asking you to visit the website. You click on website right now. They are going to be taking you to the particular website, which is verify.fractal.id, and over here you can see they are currently fetching required file. Just give it a little time to load up completely. And over here right now they are going to be asking for the camera permission. Then you click on it, then it will make sure that your camera is on. And let's see what we're gonna have next right here. Okay, and over here in this case you can see get ready right now. That I'm ready. Okay, and right now you can see I just took a picture of myself right now so easily. So this is how you actually verify yourself. Just leave it to load completely. You can see face scanned, and let's see what we're gonna have right here. Check have been completed. You can now close the window. So in this case I will come back right here. Okay, and let's see what we're gonna have right here. You can see it loads up automatically and proof of uniqueness scan completed, and right now we are done. You can see adding credential. This may take a few minutes. Just give it a little time to load up completely. Okay, and here we have it successfully. We close this window right now, and you can see we have now successfully closed the window, right? So when you click on it right now, you can see this is what we have right here, telling you that it's basically going to be giving you the detail of all your verification. So in this case, then okay, I will go back like this. Then from here, let me see what we're gonna have right here. So coming over here to your own profile, you can see we have a lot of things right here. They are going to be asking you to set up and use your shared profile with verified information. And over here right now, you can see we have some things right here, but the most important one is the badges right here. So but over here on the badges, you can see they are going to be asking you to claim your email address and biometric liveliness credential. This is the basic, and of course we have some other stuffs right here. Okay, so let me just try and figure it out completely. Okay, let's start with the first one, which is of course the basic. So I will click on claim, and right now you can see right now we have done the uniqueness check, which is one we just did earlier, I think. Then we need to verify email ownership. So we will send a link to your email, confirm you own the inbox. So I will click on claim right now. They are going to be sending code to my email box. Let's just give it a little time right now. And over here right now we need to verify our email. I will just go ahead and use my email. Preferably use the same email that you use to create your Billion Network accounts. Okay, here we have it. So we then click on send email. So they're going to be sending email to the particular email address that I provided. I just need to go right there and confirm it. Okay, and finally here we have it. We click on confirm, and once click on confirm right now, allow it to load completely. Okay, and right now you can see we have this message saying email verified successfully. So right now I will then head back right here on the Billion app, and you can see they are now adding our credential. Give it a little time to load completely. And right now you can see we have the success message right now. I will close this right now, and you can see we have just claimed this one right now. So this one is now open, and right now when you try to claim this one, claim your ID document credential, I will click on it. Let's see what we're gonna do right here. And over here right now you can see to get this one right now you are required to complete 4 things right here. And basically you can see you need to verify your NFC chip, and like I told you guys earlier, this NFC chip, usually people who have international passports are the one that can be able to do this successfully. And from here also we have linking your X account, linking your Telegram, and of course linking your Discord. All this one are very easy, but completing this particular one is the one that you may probably find very stressful because you do not have the necessary or the required documents. So when I go back right now and check this one right now, which is of course the premium badge on your profile, all this badge actually determines how authentic your own account is. Okay, so when I click on redeem right now, you can see what we have right here. Okay, and over here right now this is taking too long to load, but if you have been able to claim this basic badge right now, I think you are on the right track. All right, so basically this is all you need to know right now as regards the Billion Network airdrop. All right, so as more updates are going to be unfolding, I'm still going to be sharing it with you guys to make sure that you guys are qualified properly to receive this particular airdrop. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next update dropping very soon. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next update dropping very, very soon.